Good morning, Park Center. Mr. Anderson coming to you today, just kind of outlining some next steps in the process of getting ready for our AP exam or final review for the course in AP Stats. And I've got our Schoology course pulled up, and this is where we're going to get started. Remember, our Schoology course has a lot of stuff in here, but by the time you see this video, there will be a blue folder available at the top, and it says Exam Review from StatsMedic. StatsMedic hosts an AP exam review every year for a fee. But this year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is available at no cost, and we're going to take full advantage. It's a great opportunity. It's something I've used in the past. It is holistic. It is something that is well-rounded, as long as, of course, you're willing to put in a tiny bit of work and be diligent, right? So by the like I said, by the time this video is published, you'll be able to click in here and do all these things. I'm going to click. There's only going to be 3 items in this folder as you're watching. That will change as we get more and more into the to the course. But there's going to be a link there that says click to join. This is a link for a course in StatsMedic that I've created that is going to allow you to log in and create an account. I know it's not Khan Academy. I know I asked you to do that. This is something different. It's a little bit larger, it's a little bit better, and it's a little bit more tailored and focused to what our needs are going to be. You can, of course, click that link. If you don't like that, you can click the bump out if you prefer. In fact, I think I'm going to do that just to make it a little bit bigger so we can see it. And it'll take a second. You can see my computer is not the fastest computer. Maybe it's faster on your Chromebooks. I'm not sure. But everybody who's clicking this link, my guess is, does not have an account. So you're going to click here and you're going to create an account. Now, I already have one. So you can see my username and information already populates. But go ahead, add your first name, add your last name, use your OsteoApps account and password. The reason I say this is because I get emails from students all the time saying, oh, I forgot my password, Mr. Anderson, and so on and so forth. And if you're using those items that you use to log into your Chromebook, then, ladies and gentlemen, it should be very memorable. Okay? So you're going to click, enter that information and click sign up. I'm just going to back up and I'm going to click I already have an account and I'm just going to sign in. Now mine will look slightly different, but if you give me a second, I'm going to tailor it so you can view it as a learner. Yep, there's me. All right. And it takes a moment. And we've got the name of our course here at the top, the 2020 StatsMedic AP Stats Exam Review. And there's a couple things that I want you to do when you get here by the end of the week, right? By Friday, by the end of the day on Friday, so that next week we're all ready to go. All right? I want you to do 2 things in the introduction step, right? And you're going to find this PS in our calendar. All right? I want you to view Lindsay and Luke, the creators of StatsMedic. I want you to view their message, and it's a 2-minute video clip, right? You can start there. And then the next thing that I want you to do is going to be, I've got it right here, print printables. And what in the heck does that mean, Anderson? Well, check this out. There's going to be a couple of items here that are printable to you, and I've also got them posted back here in our course. What is it exactly we're going to be doing? That's the outline. And then if you're somebody who likes to have notes as you watch videos, you can click and print this as well. All right, so if you have the ability to print, bravo, it's there for you. If you don't, maybe you can have somebody print it for you, okay? Maybe you can run to Kinko's or the UPS store or whatever your options are. If you need that, okay? But then, after you've done that, after you've watched that introduction video, and after you've, back out of that, after you've you printed whatever printables you need, there's going to be something down here called the Diagnostic Test. And it's a 30-question test, all right? It's a 30-question test over all of the stuff that we've covered so far this year in AP Stats. And You're not going to know all of them, and that's okay. Our job is to identify what gaps that we have and where we can improve, because that's how you're going to get the max score on the AP exam or the max score on the Try3 final. All right? And then there's one more item here that says analyze your results. This is going to be another printable, and when you click on it, you're going to have the ability to review, after you've submitted your diagnostic test, you're going to have the ability to review everything that you got right or wrong. Okay? And so it's really going to identify areas of strength and areas of weakness. All right? That's really going to be a great opportunity for us. So if you know, for example, you really did very well with units 1 and 2, you know, univariate and bivariate data, or 1 and 2 variable data, gosh, no need to spend a ton of time there. Okay? But gosh, when we make it to unit 3, which is chapter 4 in our book, if that's an area of weakness for you, then we can focus and we can increase those points and hopefully get the higher scores that we all like to have, right? Okay? I'll be able to see your results, all right? But if you want to share those with each other, obviously that's your prerogative, right? And this is a diagnostic test. The beauty of the diagnostic test is I'm giving you points for doing it, all right? Take an honest approach, make an honest effort with it, and you should be just fine. Next week, we're going to be getting into some of these items, okay? And you're going to be able to go ahead and tackle these things one by one and really get yourself ready for those 2 things that show up at the end of the course, which are, like I said, the AP exam in May, or also in May, Anderson's Try3 final. All right? Of course, if you've got questions about this process, my office hours are every single day from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Jump in. Those of you guys who've done it before are really getting good at it. You've come back multiple times. It's pretty easy. All right? What I'm going to be doing over the next couple of days is I'm going to be grading all of your Chapter 10 tests, and I'm going to be offering feedback on that. So look for that coming to your inboxes as well. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day, and I can't wait until I see you again soon. Bye-bye.